I'll tell you about a very secret trading step on Tradingview. You can see it on screen now. I am going to use this for trading. Using this setup, we will execute a lot of trades and look at its profit ratio. So keep watching this video without skip it. So let's street the trade. So you can see, we got one sell signal here. So, let's now talk about its rules, which rules I want you to follow to take the trade. The most important thing in this strategy will be a risk-reward ratio. We will keep our stop losses 1:2. And we have to keep in mind, that the candles give closing below the red line. And we have to execute the trade of sell. To make sure that the indicator below creates an add signal. So you can see now. We have got all these signals, so we will do our trade here. So you can see, our target of profit has been reached. Let us see if the indicator is able to generate a similar profit. Here again, we have got sell signal and the condition of the same. We will keep our risk-reward ratio 1:1. BQs we have already generated a profit on this trend. The candles give a closing below the red line. And indicator below is an add signal. So let's trade. So we have done another trade win here. You can see, it has been working very well. So far its winning ratio is 100%. Looking forward to you, is it able to maintain its winning ratio or not? You can see in the indicator below. We have got the option to add. You see candle has closed the top of the red line. If this is a false signal, we will not trade on it. So you can see, we got one buy signal here. But I will not trade here. Because here I have to take a very big stop loss. Not only a signal is needed for a trading, but it is also important to have a good money management. I had already decided that I would take only 1% of the risk. And if I trade here then my stop loss will get bigger, and I have to take a 2% risk. So, I will avoid this signal. Same condition if we execute our trade on this, then we have to take more of our stop loss. So, I will avoid this signal. So you watch the complete video, you will understand everything. Here again we have got sell signal and the condition of the same. So you can see, we have a first stop loss hit here. Let's find new signal. We had earlier trade a signal on which we have generated loss. If the signal of the same sell is received back, we will not trade it. So, I will avoid this signal. I trade here then my stop loss will get bigger and I have to take a 2% risk. Same condition if we execute our trade on this, then we have to take more of our stop loss. So, I will avoid this signal. Here, I have got the signal of a buy, but you can see, candle closing has been given below the line, so we will not do this trade. So you can see, here we have got the signal of the sell, and we will trade the sell on it. And you can also use price action with this indicator. Will increase your winning ratio even more. Our target of profit can be met. Here we will do buy trade, and our target of profit will be 1:2. Our target of profit can be met. I had already decided that I would take only 1% of the risk. And if I trade here, then my stop loss will get bigger and I have to take a 2% risk. I will avoid this signal. I got sell signal here. You can see, but I will not trade here. Because you can see here, the market has come up quite strong. And there is still a slight side wedge, but may have caught back of uptrend. So now we will look at the market by waiting a little bit. After that we will execute the trade. You see candle has closed the top of the red line. Don't enter the trade. You see candle has closed the top of the red line. Don't enter the trade. We have got the signal of buy here. You can see below. Indicator has been shown the option of buy there. And you can see the trend. You have blue of color, and have given a closing above the market blue line. You can see how best this strategy has given a profit so far, and its results are in front of you. So, now you have to decide whether you want to use this indicator, or not, and if you have any confusion, then please watch this video again by replying once. You will understand everything. And all those who have seen this video by skipping, and now only want this indicator, then please do not take this indicator, because you will not be able to use it, and you lose trading if you make a loss. Let me now tell you how to install this system your Tradingview. I remove all my indicators and reinstall. Now the way I will install the indicator, you have to process the same. Now search F, L, I, and second, A, F, L, I. I hope you will not face any problem in installing the indicator. And if you have any problem about this center, then you will tell me in the comment box below. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you traders.